If you guys have a problem where the hood doesn't stay up, you want to see how to fix it, stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, if you guys have a car, you have a problem like this one, check this thing out. If your hood, guys, you open it and it doesn't stay up, right, it falls, you wonder, okay, how to fix that. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do it in step-by-step video today. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free videos on every single car. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, codes, almost anything you can think of. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys. That way we can keep making them absolutely free. So, if you guys have a vehicle and the hood doesn't stay up, what do you need to do? The first step, you need to, guys, open your hood. Once you release it, we need to open it, and I want to show you. On most modern vehicles nowadays, okay, the hoods back in the day used to be supported by a rod, and you push it here and it keeps the hood up. But now they come with a strut, guys. You see that strut right here, that's what causes, okay, the hood to stay up. It's kind of like a gas shock that keeps it up, guys. And especially you will notice them fading when it starts getting cold in the winter, cold days, mornings. You try to open the hood, it just doesn't stay open, and eventually they'll get to the point that they will fail and they will not stay up at all. So how you fix that? We need to replace it, guys, and I want to show you. Here are the parts, okay, that we need to fix specifically, okay, that problem. So this is the new replacement strut. Now, in order, guys, to replace it, okay, it's super simple. Let us show you guys, okay, how you can do that. Now, step by step, we're going to get a small screwdriver, and here, okay, you see that thing, okay, that spring here will need to come off. You need a person to hold the hood. Now, why? Because the moment you release it, the hood will become even heavier, and you don't want that to fall on you or fall on tools, parts, anything like that, and damage your hood. So check this thing out. If I lift the hood up a little bit, you're going to notice that you're going to release the pressure. So lift up, and that spring, careful not to get in your eyes, you pry it out, okay, and then the hood support comes out. The same thing needs to be done on the bottom side, guys, right here. Okay, and you release it. You get the new one now, okay? You need to remember which way it was, right? You need to install it exactly the same way. This one on the bottom, the new spring, you don't need to release it. You just push it in until you hear a click because it's spring loaded. The same thing happens here. You might need to put a little bit of grease and clean the old grease as well. But, okay, and that one wasn't screwed all the way in because it's brand new, and that's our mistake. We need to grab it, it's under the vehicle, we will continue. So, in our case, okay, we need to go ahead and screw it. Ours is brand new, it was unscrewed, guys. So we're going to go ahead, do that, see exactly where it's supposed to be. We're going to go ahead, push it in, okay? Listen now, perfect. Now, let's test it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, pass the camera. I want to show you. If we open the hood, check this thing out now, right? Whoa! I thought it was going to shoot out of the car. Okay, but it's perfect. You can see that's how we fix it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.